This is delicious. Hi guys, it's me again, Symone, and today we're going to be doing a cooking video. Today I'm going to be cooking steak bites. I'll show you. Okay, first we're going to be cutting it in small pieces. You have to be very careful when you cut it. Okay, next we're going to season. You can use any seasoning for this, but I like to use this. So first we're going to use oil, we're going to use seasoned salt, we're going to use Cajun, and we're going to use Slap Your Mama. Now we gotta stir it up. Now we're gonna cook it. I wanna put it on medium heat. Wait until it gets hot. Then you can add the oil. Now you add the meat. So now we're gonna let it cook until it's nice and golden brown, and then we're gonna flip it. So now we're gonna flip the steak bites. So now we're gonna put some butter in the pan, and we're gonna put our good old W sauce. So now we're gonna make a special sauce. So now we're gonna use some butter, some red hot sauce, and rotisserie and southern blend. Next, we're gonna use some red hot sauce. We're gonna use some rotisserie, southern blend. Last but not least, some honey. Now let's stir. So now the steak bites are done, we're going to turn the stove off and eat. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm hungry. Bye.